When was the last time you went to the grocery store and found a tomato that you were happy with? When was the last time you could afford the brand new cucumber that was at the grocery store? Or when was even the last time you had the time or space to grow your own onions? All of these problems we here at Gaia Bloom experience. However, we decided to innovate by bringing to you the Grower One, a hydroponic, fully autonomous, and sustainable home growing kit. The only thing you have to do as a consumer is plug it into the wall, refill it every 2 weeks, and that's it. The whole point of the Grower One is that you're able to plug in the seed into the hydroponic plane, and in 4 months you'll have your fresh vegetables. However, don't get me wrong, the Grower One is not limited to only one vegetable at a time. You can grow lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, almost everything that is hydroponic at the same time, ensuring you have the vast variety of vegetables and a nice salad. Alongside this, the Grower One uses machine learning. So what does that mean? That means that your plants have the highest security at all time. If something is going wrong, you'll be notified immediately. If something is going well, it will boost the pH sensors to grow even faster, going for optimal and fresh veggies all the time. Here at Gaia Bloom, we believe that the Grower One is for everybody. This means that the engineers have worked extra hard to make sure that our application and services are accessible everywhere throughout the world. As long as you have an internet connection, it doesn't matter what device you use or where, you have direct information over the pH level, the sunlight level, almost everything, and can also control the Grower One, making sure your vegetables and fruits are always fresh. Okay, so what about the market size? What about the business aspect? In Europe alone, 71% of Europeans live in cramped spaces. Also, 67% of Europeans are trying to introduce more vegetables, more fruits, and have a nicer diet. This results in an approximate of 23 billion USD. That's a huge market. This also means that no matter from which age gap you are, whether you're a college student as 20 or retired at 60, the Grower One is something for everybody. Okay, so what makes us unique? As you can see on this board, it's pretty easy to see that the Grower One is the best option. Our competitors are either too bulky, too expensive, or just inaccessible. When you buy the Grower One, not only is it luxurious, but it's also simple. Okay, so where do we plan to get with the Grower One? As you can see, we're quite recent. We were created in October of 2023. However, we're working day in and day out to make sure that by the end of August, there are over 10,000 Grower Ones in all of Germany. So who's actually putting in all of this work? As you can see, here we have the CEO, Tim, from Germany. We have Nahir, that is our lead designer from Turkey, and I, the CTO from Bulgaria. All of us together work very hard and with a lot of passion to make sure that Gaia Bloom becomes something that you will have in your home. Grow yourself.